Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to start your Shopify online store design with Debutify theme. So if you have just purchased the Debutify theme and you wanted to make your professional Shopify store without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this first step basic tutorials will be very helpful for you. And also, if you don't purchase the Debutify theme, then check out the link of the video description and purchase your Debutify theme. So what is the first step? The first step is that when you have registered in your Debutify theme, then you have to log in, and after login you have to download the Debutify theme, and finally you have to complete this text: download Debutify theme, enable your first widget, that is an install custom app. I have already downloaded and installed in Shopify online store and activate. So after active, you will find the same skin or same interface of your website looks here, but the big problem is that you don't know how to make it looks like a professional store. There have two options. One is start making your store by customizing. Click on the customize section, then you will find a lot of ready section that you can use and make it full professional Shopify online store. But here is the one of the another important problem, that is you don't know about website design. For example, you don't know where you will add the slider, where you have to add featured collection, and what you have to add after collection, or how to add testimonial, where you should add testimonial, how to add video, a lot of things. For example, looks here, you don't know how to set up sales pop-up notification, ace check, announcement bar, cart goal, newsletter, mega menu, a lot of things. If I explain one by one, that will be a huge long tutorials, so I just making so simple for you. So number one, you have to know the basic website design. You have to idea of website design, website element, website layout, user interface, or UX or UI. Just you have to basic. So I think you are very beginner, you are an entrepreneur or businessman, you are not a developer or designer, and that is not your job. And here I am doing this job for you because I want to provide easy solution. Okay, so we find an option that we have to design our website with ready widget and section, you see, and we have to set up everything, and for that we must have to website design knowledge. But you don't have any website design knowledge, so what is the solution? Without hiring any Shopify developer, you can do another things, that is you can go to your Debutify account, and after login you will find welcome dashboard. Then click on the template under the library based on category or in different categories. For example, if you want to build a Shopify online store for jewelry and accessories, so click on it. Then you see there is a jewelry website demo template that is fully ready. Just click on the view demo. Then here is the ready store for jewelry products, and you see here is the already element. For example, top section, menu, slideshow, and featured category or collection, animator, moving or running text, and featured product also looks here, product specification, testimonial, FAQ, and footer. So you don't have to know any website design or any basic knowledge of website design or layout. Just download this theme and install it on your Shopify admin panel. And if you don't know how to install, then you can follow the previous video or check out the description of this video. So I hope you understand how to start your first step with Debutify theme when you register or purchase the Debutify theme to create your Shopify online store. Let me summarize within 1 minute. Step 1, you have to download and install the Debutify theme, then you can start with make your Shopify online store just with ready section and widget. And for that you have to knowledge of website design, UX and website element. And another way is to just go to your Debutify account and click on the template library and select the template based on your business and download the theme and install it on your Shopify admin panel, and finally click on the publish, and then you will get the same ready website as demo. And then you can change everything without any coding, without any previous experience, just drag and drop. Also I'm going to make a lot of step-by-step video for every section so that you can make a full professional website with your Debutify theme. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.